Dear students, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel, my online viewers. Today we are going to talk about the mass number, how we got the mass number. As I said in the last video, that the mass number is gotten by the sum of the proton number and the neutron number. I told you in the last video that the nucleus of an atom determines the mass number of the atom. And I told you also, proton number is equal to the electron number. As the proton number is the numbers of the atomic number, because this proton is what determines the atomic number of every element. All right? Atomic number of an element is numbers of proton in the nucleus of each atom, which is equal to the numbers of electron on the shell. Okay? Now, the sum of the proton number and the neutron number will give you the mass number. So in this video, we are going to fill these blocks, the table on the whiteboard. Then you know how we calculate to know the mass number of an element. All right? If the proton number here is 1, atomic number here is 1. Electron number here is 1. All right? Atomic number is the numbers of proton, which is equal to the numbers of electron. All right? So let's fill the proton number. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right? Then the same numbers we filled here, we have it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this is because I told you in the last video that atom is electrically neutral, right? Because proton, which is positive, is equal to the electron, which is negative. In every atom, the numbers of positive entity, which is proton, is also equal to the numbers of the negative entity, which is electron. And that is why an atom is electrically neutral. Do you understand? Now, the proton number, which determines the atomic number, is equal to its atomic number. Do you understand? Because atomic number is the numbers of proton, which is equal to the numbers of electron. We discussed this in the last class. Do you remember? All right, thank you. Thank you. Now, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right? This is the atomic number, the proton number, the same we have at this part of the board. Now, let's fill the neutron number. Remember, I told you, neutron number, some cases, can be more than the numbers of proton, all right? But can never be less. Do you understand? In some atom, the neutron number is the same with that of its proton, all right? While in some atom, the neutron number can be more than the proton number, all right? But can never be less than the proton number. Do you understand? All right. We are going to fill the neutron numbers here. And I've said that those isotopes for the element that exhibit isotopy. All right? We are going to use the one that are more in abundance in the table to get the mass number, because these are the isotope of the element that are more in abundance. All right? Then for the sake of hydrogen here, I told you in the last video that the most abundant isotope of hydrogen is protium. And protium, the mass number is 1. Of course, I told you that it has no neutron. And that is why we have 0 here. All right? Protium have 0 here in the neutron number because it has no neutron, and that is why the mass number is 1. Now for helium, helium here have 2 neutrons. Lithium has 4. Beryllium here has 5. Here we have 6 and 6. We have 7 and 8, 10, 10, 12, 12, 14, 14, 16, 16, 18, 18, 20, 20. All right? These are the neutron numbers of different elements for the first 20 elements we have here on the board. Now, let's look at the mass numbers of these elements we have on the table. I told you that mass number is obtained by simple addition of the proton number and the neutron number. Do you understand? When you add the proton number and the neutron number, you get the mass number. All right? Then here we have 1 plus 0 will give you 1. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 6 is 11. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 10 is 19. 10 plus 10 here is 20. 11 plus 12 is 23. 12 plus 12 is 24. 13 plus 14 is 27. 14 plus 14 is 28. 15 plus 16 will give us 31. 16 plus 16 is 32. 17 plus 18 is 35. 18 plus 18 is 36. 19 plus 20 is 39. 20 plus 20 is 40. All right? So here we have the atomic number completely filled, the proton number, which is the same with the atomic number. Here is the neutron number. All right? Take note. Atomic number is equal to the proton number, which is also equal to the electron number. All right? That is to say, atomic number, proton number, and neutron numbers are the same. Then here we have the neutron number, and here is the mass number. All right? We get mass number by simple addition of the proton number and the neutron number. Reason is because these are the entity we have in the nucleus. And it is the nucleus of an atom that determines the mass number of every atom of an element. All right? So you've seen how we obtain the mass number of the first 20 elements I told you about in the last video. Please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. More videos will be uploaded in the channel as soon as possible. All right? Thank you, and God bless you.